Okay, let's personalise your presentation. So we'll use template for new design. And that will open in your Canva account. Okay, just here we're going to the name of the document, presentation, and we will put our own name in there. Oh, just put presenting. So we have our presentation here. Let's just get rid of that one. I also have a Google Doc which has my presentation planned out per slide. So I'll just go to my Google Doc and we'll get the title of, copy that, go back over, okay, triple click on that and we will paste. All right, now that is just far too big, so we will click on that and we'll just bring it down till we've got it all there, and then we can make it a little, this is going to be our cover, our front page, so I want to make it a little bit more outstanding. Done. Now we will double click this again, a triple click, sorry, and copy. We'll go across to the next slide. Now this is a little trick, we've left this space up here to put that in there. We'll just right justify it there and we will shrink it down and grab our little arrow to move it. And then we have that up there, maybe make it a little bit smaller. Just so it doesn't pull away from the attention of the actual slides. Once we have it to the font size we want, which is about 29.5 for this one, we will copy it. We'll go into each slide, paste, paste. Okay, until we've got them all done. You get the idea. All right, back to our title page. Title slide is our bold title with presentation topic. Okay, so we'll go back to that and okay, just now we can actually move this down here. So this is what our presentation is called. We're going to have a subtitle or a tagline. We can actually use this as the text for that. Okay, so subtitle, transform your creativity with stunning Canva templates. Right click, copy, go back here. We can actually use one of these just so we don't have to create another text box. Okay, and then we just make that, delete these. Alright, and because that's a subtitle, you might want to make it a little bit bigger. And we'll center it too. Okay, so we know our presentation, the name of the presentation, and the subtitle. Alright, so the agenda slide. We'll go to the agenda, which will have all the different points of the presentation. Let's try and do, Okay, we'll copy that, go back across to our design, and here, it's a bit clever, we'll just highlight that, and we will right click, paste, and it will automatically create other points. How good's that? So we have our agenda. Keep in mind, the presentation slides are a guide to your presentation, a cue, a talking point. So we're not actually going to put all the details in, but now we know, okay, introducing Visually Awesome by Sue, and a bit about that. And each line represents a topic that you'll be talking about in your presentation. So it's just that. So each one, so we have about us, of course, introduce your team, key stats, obviously important data and stats for your business. You can use graphs or charts. Problem statement, so you're defining a problem. Solution, case study, timeline, interactive Q&A, and a call to action. And then on the last one, we just have the same. So we'll be closing off that, so you can put your presentation name on that finishing slide. Yes, so these are just, and they're all suggestions. So you might want to make that a totally different topic according to your presentation. So enjoy creating, have fun, and present. All right, let's present our presentation, our slideshow. On the top right-hand corner, you'll see present. So we'll click on that. This is where we have options. Present the full screen, presenter view. So this is present full screen, of course, that will be all of it. Presenter view, so you actually, if you're running a webinar or anything, or you're recording it, you can actually see what's coming up. Present and record, so you can actually have your own, you can be recording and have you, yes, as present there. In that case, you would change the wording on the slides maybe to being on the right hand side. Keep that in mind. And then you've got autoplay. Okay, so we'll just present full screen and present so that you can actually see. Using your left or right arrow. Okay, so and that's a good idea to also see if your font, if you need to correct anything. Okay, yep. Looks all right. Yeah, your agenda. So you'll actually be able to see what your participants are watching. Yep, looks good. Okay, and then we just escape to get out of that. So we have presented. Congratulations.